I've got my generator connected here, which is a mobile generator, and on the middle side, I've got my Galooli unit connected to it. And this is basically my power, and this is my RS485 connectivity, and then my antenna. And all the software is done already with the ESCOM load shedding connected to it, which I will show you in a bit. Here you can see it is a deep sea 7020 MK2, and it's a 40 kVA, and we can even see where your unit are situated, and my unit is currently situated, and I do not have any alarms as it's a green icon there, and you can also see a green icon here. But if you do have alarms, it will be red or orange, and if the unit is off, it will be a gray icon. So my unit is currently off, and when I select it, you can see my unit is in auto mode here, and it's in auto mode there, but it's not giving me any values because my generator is not currently started. But you can also remote control your unit to switch it to manual and start it yourself, and it will update automatically from the ESCOM push app every day, whether it's stage 4 load shedding, stage 5 or stage 6 or even stage 8. Here I've got the script, and it shows the generator will start 5 minutes before, and the generator will shut down 5 minutes after load shedding. And the generator will switch automatically from auto mode to manual mode to start the generator.